بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. How are you يا ثاني? And how are your days? Okay, can you remind me of our previous lesson? It was about the grammar to and enough. So let's revise with me. Where can we use to and where can we use enough? As we said before, this cup of tea is too hot, which means I can't drink it. So we use the word too with things which is more than necessary. What about the word enough? For example, the weather today is warm enough for a picnic. It means we can go outside because it's warm enough. It's not too cold and it's not too hot. So this is the usage of them. And about their position, we said that to goes before the adjective, for example, too big, and enough goes after the adjective, for example, it's big enough or warm enough or small enough and so on, okay? And we said that there is another usage of enough. For example, there is enough food in the fridge. Enough food. So food is a noun and enough goes before the noun. Enough food. Okay? Let's go to our lesson today, which is Think Healthy. When you read the title, Think Healthy, what comes to your mind? It means many points. For example, your food should be healthy. You should do exercise. You should sleep early. Many things. You should, for example, drink a lot of water. So this is the meaning of our title, which is Think Healthy. I hope, ya Thani, till now you didn't eat fast food at all, because you know it's very bad for your body and it has much of calorie, okay? Or many of calories, sorry. Okay. The first point is reading. We have a part about fast food. Listen to the audio and please, any word that you don't understand, write it in a note. If you can't translate it in your laptop, send me a message about the word that you don't understand and I will translate it for you, okay? Just listen to the reading now.
3D. Think healthy. 1. Read. B. Listen, read, and answer the questions.
Fast food. How healthy is it? It's fast, it's cheap, it's tasty. Everybody loves it. But how good is it for us? Here's what two experts, Peter Swain and Rosalind Mack, have to say.
Do you feel like some fast food? Remember, fast food is bad for you. We need protein in our diet to be strong and healthy, and our body needs a little fat too. But fast food isn't the answer. Eating a few chips every now and then doesn't make you unhealthy. Potatoes are rich in carbohydrates, and they give you energy. Just don't overdo it with fried food. For some vitamins, choose a fresh salad with olive oil. Nowadays, most fast food places have salad bars. So, avoid fast food. Eating too much of it is unhealthy. Peter Swain.
Okay, this is the first part of our reading, okay? It's by Peter Swain. He is talking about fast food. So look at to the word when we say we have two experts here. What does experts mean? Expert are the person who knows or who study many times for this field. So this is the expert, okay? He talks about fast food. Please, ya Thani, read it again in your home, and any word that you don't understand, ask me or translate it. So, do you feel like some fast food? Remember, fast food is bad for you. We need protein in our diet to be strong and healthy. And he said you can find the vitamins in the salad, okay? So, try to read it again and 2, find the words that you don't understand, and I hope you write notes by the main ideas. What do you understand from the text? Okay, now listen to the first or to the second part of our reading. It's about Rosalind Mack.
Fast food is junk food. It's full of fat, salt and sugar, and it doesn't contain many vitamins. Many teenagers have made fast food an important part of their diet and are overweight. Also, they don't exercise enough, so at some point they will probably have health problems. Teens need to avoid fast food. They should eat home-cooked meals and lots of salads. They should drink lots of milk instead of soft drinks. Milk and dairy products are rich in protein and calcium and are necessary for healthy teeth and bones. Rosalind Mack.
Okay, this is the second part of our reading. She is talking about the teenagers. Who are you? You are a teenager, okay? And she said, why most of you are overweight? Because you eat fast food, you eat food which is full of sugar. So that's why some or many of the teenagers are overweight. So she advises you to drink lots of milk instead of soft drinks. And what does dairy product means? Dairy products are like milk, lemon, yogurt, cheese. These are dairy products, okay? What does bones mean? If you search in Google, you will find the meaning, but calcium is very rich or is very important for bones. And she said many advices about your body. She said you should eat home cooked. Look at to this word, it is here, home cooked. So what does home cooked mean? It means the food that you cook it in your home. Instead of eating any food from the restaurant, you should eat home cooked. Why? When you ask yourself, why should we eat or drink anything which is made in our homes? Why? Number one, it will be clean. And it will be healthy for our body, because any food from the restaurants, most of them are or have much of oil and sorry about this line, okay, and it makes you overweight. This part is by Rosalind Mack. Read it again and try to underline any word that you don't understand and ask me, okay? Here you have 6 questions. It's about our reading, 2 parts, which is by Peter Swin and Rosalind Mack. The first one, why are proteins good for us? Number 2, according to Peter Swin, why aren't chips totally unhealthy? Number 3, what does he say about fast food places? Number 4, according to Rosalind Mack. So you will go to this part and you will answer this question. According to Rosalind Mack, what does fast food contain? The word contains, for example, I said my bag contains books, notebooks, pencils. So this what does contain mean? Number 5, according to Rosalind Mack, why will teenagers probably have problems with their health? Okay. The last question is, what should teenagers do to change their diet? Okay, please answer all of them. This is your homework. Read the text again and ask me any question about the text, and then try to answer these 6 questions. You will find the answers in 2 parts of our reading today, which is by Peter Swin and Rosalind Mack. So, this is the homework and our lesson will finish. We'll finish now. So please, ya Thani, please, I hope all of you to watch the video and to answer the questions, and you should ask me anything, please. Just don't want to watch the video and then you will stay. Please read the text again, answer the questions and ask me, okay? And I hope you are fine, and that's our lesson. See you